Today, I just want to send out this message to the person watching this video. Yes, I'm talking to you. You are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself. Embrace your strengths and unlock the incredible potential within you. Yabona, when you believe in yourself, mina ngikholelwa ekutheni it starts with believing in yourself. And then once you believe in yourself, you have to act on that belief. And when I say act on that belief, I don't mean ukuthi you should take big steps towards the achievement of your goals. What I mean is that you should take small daily steps, and that's what it takes to succeed. Kancane kancane, you will get there as long as you believe that it's possible for you. Unganaki ama-naysayers out there. Stop listening to naysayers. Stop listening to people who are afraid of pursuing their own dreams. Because Les Brown said, someone's opinion of you doesn't have to determine your destiny. Don't let it determine yours. So, let me tell you again, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself and unlock the potential within you.